Hello, Mrs. Ant. What have you been up to lately?
Well, I have been busy gathering the season harvest. You should join me.
Videos that shows the stories of ant and grasshopper on YouTube now make millions of views. Can you see the first one has almost 530 million views, and the next one 1.4 million views, and the third one 4 million views. This type of video rakes in views, and you can quickly get monetized through creating this type of content and also start your own Faceless YouTube channel. As you can see, even in short form, it rakes in views, and there is no excuse for not starting this type of channel if you are interested in 2025, because in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to convert your ant and grasshopper story into cartoon videos, and this will keep children glued to the screen watching your YouTube channel for hours. So I'm just going to tell you that the first thing you need to do is that you're going to head over to ChatGPT, and you're going to paste in your ant and grasshopper story. If you don't have any ant and grasshopper story, you can ask ChatGPT to quickly make you one that has a moral lesson and that is child engaging. Next, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to make 10 visual images prompt for every scene. I'll also tell ChatGPT to describe the characters for each scene, make it according to the story. Then ChatGPT will go ahead and create the image prompt describing the characters from scene 1 to scene 10, as you can see on the screen. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and copy the image prompt for scene 1. I'm just going to scroll to scene 1 and copy the prompt like this. Then I'm going to use ChatGPT to generate the image. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to turn this prompt into an image. Then I'm just going to go ahead and click on send. ChatGPT will go ahead and generate this image. So I have to choose one. I think I like the first one, so I'm just going to choose the first one. Then I'm going to go ahead and copy the second image prompt for the second scene. I'm going to ask ChatGPT now to please make the characters consistent. Even though it will, but I want to remind ChatGPT to generate my image in that aspect ratio. Now my second image is ready. I'm just going to also go ahead and copy the prompt for the third image. Again, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to please make the characters consistent. You have to do this for all of your image prompts. So I'm just going to ask ChatGPT to make the characters consistent and also 16:9. So you can see it is generating, and here it is on generating the third image. I'm going to go for the fourth one, and I'm going to copy it, do the same thing, ask ChatGPT to make the characters consistent and also the aspect ratio 16:9. So I'm going to hit the send button, and you can see it will just go ahead and generate my fourth image. I actually like this, so I'm just going to head over to the image prompt and copy that of scene 5, and I'm going to also remind it to make the characters consistent and also the aspect ratio 16:9. In order not to bore you, I'm just going to generate the remaining images without showing you. Next, I'm going to head over to Hedra to animate the images. I'll click on this start frame to upload my first image. So I'm just going to click on this one, which is the first image, and I'm going to click on open. Next, you make sure you choose your model. Mine is Hedra character 3 because I'm using the free version. Then also choose the aspect ratio for YouTube. You can choose that of TikTok if your video is for TikTok, and I'm also going to choose my preferred resolution. Next, I'm going to go to add script. Then I'm going to go ahead and click on generate speech. First, I'm going to choose my character voice or my preferred voice. You can listen to the voice to see which one you like. Just go through them and pick the one that you prefer. I am just going to scroll up and then click on Drew. I think I prefer this Drew. I'm just going to click on Drew. Then I'm going to go ahead and type in what I want Drew to say. That is what I want the grasshopper to say. I want the grasshopper to say, "Mrs. Ant, how have you been and where are you headed?" You can ask ChatGPT to generate the conversation between the ant and the grasshopper based on the story if you like. but I just prefer to write my own to give it my own personality. Next, I'm going to click on add to video. Now I'm going to type in the prompts for my character. I want Hedra to animate a grasshopper talking to an ant. So when I'm done, I'm going to click on this red button, and then I'm going to go ahead and then click on continue. It will take a moment for Hedra to generate your video, so you just have to be patient. Now my video is ready. You can go ahead and animate all of your characters to make your video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.